guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I will be doing something that a lot of people don't like to tackle in the kitchen. So I'm going to give you guys quite a few tips on how to clean your oven. So stay tuned for the full video.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
So the first thing you need to do is take out the racks and then throw them in the bathtub and just throw some dish soap in there and just let them sit while you're cleaning your oven. And we will come back to those in just a second.
So the next thing I did is just added the baking soda along with some water, and then what I did was just mix it until I got a thick paste. And it does take a lot more baking soda, of course, than it does water, so just be careful with that.
So the next thing you will do is spread the baking soda, and I just got a cleaning pad from Dollar Tree, and you'll just spread that baking soda all around, and you'll just let that sit for a few minutes. I also added a little bit of water after I spreaded everything to let it sit. So just let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes once you wipe that down, and then you're going to scrub it with the cleaning pad. And just remember, you can always just make more baking soda paste if you feel like hasn't covered everything. So that's what I did here.
Take me to your soul.
So the next thing you would do is take a squirt bottle that I just purchased from Dollar Tree, added some vinegar, and fill the bottle up with water, and then you're just going to spray it all around. So the next thing you'll do is let that vinegar sit and use an SOS pad that I just purchased from Dollar Tree, and you'll just scrub the remaining spots that haven't come up from using the cleaning pad, and that'll get the rest of that grease off. So the next thing you'll do is take a cloth that will definitely need to be disposed afterwards, and you'll just clean up all that baking soda. So you'll just keep wiping it down over and over again until you get it as clean as you want to. So the next thing I want to give you guys a tip on is how to clean the top of your stove. So I just used the Bar Keeper's Friend that I just purchased from Dollar Tree, and you'll spread that on the top of the stove. And once you do that, you'll just add some water and just do circular motions, and then you'll let that sit for a few minutes. And then what I did was I just went back to the oven and finished cleaning the oven and let that sit on the top. Every stove is different, but the way I clean the window part of my stove, I had to take the handle off, and that way I'm able to spray in between there and wipe that down. You'll just have to research on how to do your particular stove, but that's what you see me doing here.
And you tell me to come.
And what I suggest using here to clean that area is glass and surface cleaner along with a reusable wipe, and I just purchased both of those things from Dollar Tree.
See, this is nothing in real life, it might just have been.
So we finished this up. I'm just screwing the handles back on. So the next thing you'll do is go back to the stove part, and I just wiped it down with a wet microfiber cloth, and I'll just wipe it until it's completely clean.
Tending to be my savior, nothing you do can save us, because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous.
And what I did to give everything a finishing look, I just took that glass and surface cleaner and I just wiped everything down, including my stainless steel, the top of my stove, the outside door of the oven, along with the bottom part. And I just wiped everything down with a microfiber, and it definitely gives it a shine, and you'll be able to see that in just a second.
Say I'm fine, too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life. life, it might just have been a bad.
So now that we've gotten that done, the next thing I'll do is go back to the tub area and just clean those racks, and I just use a scrub brush along with some soap.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us.
Please let me know in the comments below what you think about the after. I didn't realize how big of a difference it was going to make actually, and how dirty our oven was beforehand. So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe if you want to join our family here. I post every Wednesday and Sunday about organizing, lifestyle, and cleaning. I hope you guys can join me on the next one. I'll see you guys on Friday. I have an extra video coming out this week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.